In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save and reuse a custom template in Genspark AI Slides. Let's start by opening Genspark and signing into your account. Once you're in, head straight to your presentations and either create a new slide deck or open one you've already been working on. Spend a moment dialing in the look and feel you want. This is where you set the tone for all future presentations based on this template. Adjust your fonts, color palette in backgrounds, and layout spacing. Make sure your title and content slides are consistent. Choose image and icon styles that match your brand, and confirm your charts, tables, and any accent elements look cohesive. A quick tip: preview a few different slide types to confirm your choices hold up across the deck. When the design looks just right, open the design or template settings in AI Slides. Depending on your view, this might be in a settings panel, a design sidebar, or a menu labeled design or templates. Take a moment to scan for options related to templates or themes. You're looking specifically for a way to save the current style as a template. It might appear as save as template, create template, or save current design. If you see that option available, select it. Now give your template a clear, memorable name so you can recognize it later at a glance. Use something descriptive like brand light minimal, product launch dark, or quarterly report clean. Including a short note or date can help you distinguish versions if you refine the look over time. Next, save the template to your account or your workspace, depending on where you want it to live. Saving to your personal account keeps it just for you. Saving to a workspace makes it easier for your team to use the same visual standards. Confirm the save and allow a moment for it to sync. Now you're set to reuse it. The next time you create a presentation, start a new deck in Genspark and open the template or theme picker. Look for your saved template in the library associated with your account or workspace. Select it, and the deck will automatically adopt the fonts, colors, backgrounds, and layout rules you saved so you can focus on content instead of redoing design choices. If you don't see it immediately, refresh your templates view or check that you're in the right library, and that's it. You've captured your perfect style once, saved it as a template, and made it effortless to apply again and again in Genspark AI Slides.